special delivery. This is gonna get worked on this spring. It's not much needs to be done to it. Oh, I gotta get that door up. Yeah, I still haven't moved stuff over. I've been so busy. I've been doing this, been doing that and everything. I gotta take a week off. Just move the wood. That's fine. Every Jaguar is like that, 4-door, big door in the back, small door in the front. This is a huge learning experience because we know nothing about these, nothing at all. Weather's not going to be very, very friendly here. Well, as I stated before, it was supposedly sold once. The guy backed out, and Tucker's the one who decided to buy it.
Yeah, now I gotta relearn everything. I mean, if you can, I'll pop the hood so we can look at the motor. But...
yeah. I mean, why not? Because, did you put it in gear by chance? Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, because I got to boil the gas tanks because it's got bad gas in it. Sitting so long. Okay. And this is the only bad spot right here, which this is pretty simple. We'll just take this off, sand all this stuff, do the body work and everything, and then prime it and paint it. Match the paint right here. Do a lot of detail in the paint because there's some light scuffs. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, little tiny scuffs here and there from age. We'll do some touch up and everything. Uh-oh. Your chrome piece is gone. Whoops. Yeah, it's gone. We'll have to get another one.
That's all right.
I mean, it happens. That was... I mean, bottom clip's gone, but your top clip's there, though.
A whole new learning experience.
Yeah, we know nothing about these.
Straight, yeah, it's not a V12, it's a straight 6 with twin overhead cams.
Yeah, he's been studying on it. I am too scared.
Nice thing about this car, though, it did come with a repair manual.
Yeah. Let me get on the other side here so that way the wind's not blowing into the microphone. Yeah, because needs a tune-up. The point deals are off.
Yes, everything that needs for the tune-up is actually sitting in the trunk.
Yeah.
The guy who originally had this, he just put new tires on it, started giving it a tune-up, new points and all that stuff.
And then the next morning after breakfast, he had a mass stroke. He barely survived it. Yep, he couldn't do nothing with it anymore.
It's kind of a shame.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, it's
and this one is
good
not
owner
going
now.
to get cut up. This is going to stay original.
Yeah, this is one of his pride and joys. This is going to stay original. Because I mean, at 74 classy Jaguar. I mean, we love any kind of Jaguar.
It's a 4-door. I don't care. It's a Jaguar.
It's just sadly about the 99. Sadly, we actually called it a 98 at one point, but sadly about the 99. Government said it has to be either crushed or parted out because it was one of those deals. We tried to talk to them about it, about the state guys, and it's like, nope, it has to be either parted out or crushed because it's one of those things. So, and oh, yeah, you can smell it from here. Definitely gonna have to do a lot of TLC on the engine because I don't know how long she's been sitting. That's the thing. But let's see here. Yeah, because there's one other guy that was starting to get a little picky. Yeah, well, not just IRA, but he was wanting to rummage through this car. He was gonna try to take stuff off of it from Tucker. Yeah, kind of. Buck, a relative, ran him off. So, but yeah, this is a pretty big engine. I mean, it's for a straight 6 with what now? Overhead,
there are twin overhead cams.
Yeah, twin overhead cams. Yeah, and I can't remember. Wasn't the guy the original owner when he got this? I can't remember now.
I don't remember.
Well, we're going to find out anyways once you switch stuff over here this coming week. But yeah, I mean, it's oil. I mean, the air filter, the points are down right here. The distributor cap, which is sitting off right here. He's gonna have to do a lot of stuff because some of those wires are kind of dangling off, or at least one is. At least the wiring harness isn't too bad on this.
Nope, and I actually have prints of
yeah, he's got a lot of stuff. And we also got to check all the wiring just in case, so that way it doesn't catch a fire. At least he will. He knows about that stuff than I do. That's very, look at that bladed fan. Wow. And of course, this right here. Is that all it goes? Oh, yep, that's all it goes. Yeah, but all in all, I mean, pretty simple thing to do. Just need to touch up some stuff. Might have to take off this fender, possibly, and do some touch up right here. Not sure just yet. Also have to check the plugins here. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Or, well, you'll have to. Okay, I didn't press on it long enough, or hard enough, excuse me. Yeah, and it's dirty. It's been sitting for a while because there's a lot of mouth stuff in here. Can steam clean it and everything, do all that stuff in the spring. And everything's original. All the carpets stuff is good. Like I said, I just need to steam clean it. Of course, Jaguar. It's like that on both sides. I mean, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Oh, it's got locked gas caps? I don't know what these buttons are for. He knows. Yeah, it's really, really messy. It's very interesting. Yeah, got your bolts, oil, fuel, water. There's a fuel switch around here somewhere. There's even choke, pull air. There's a lot of things I gotta research up on this car. So you happy?
Yeah, I did 2 cars in one day.
Yeah, got this one, and all of you would see the Buick. Well, actually, no, the Buick will come later, and this will come after
the same day, though. I was able to get 2 cars.
Yeah, I got stuff. I kind of got stuff ordered a little bit, and everything's kind of chaotic and such. But yeah, so I know there's a Jaguar club that's really, really irate with us because of the 99 Jag. But you know, like I said, state of Nebraska said car has to be either parted out or crushed. I don't know how many times I have to explain that to people, because it's one of those things. Because we try to save it, you know, constantly, and if we talk to them, and they're like, nope, you either part it out or crush it. So got parted out, not crushed yet, got chopped up. Other than that, anything you want to add?
Not really.
Yeah, because it's gonna get pretty nasty here, and gotta detach the trailer, and the Buick might be unloaded possibly on Saturday. I don't know what order these are gonna go in, because I'm pretty sure all of you have probably seen the video on the bullnose. Just have to see what's going on. And yeah, I'm been doing a lot of stuff. I haven't had a chance to clean up the yard here, just to scoot a lot of the wood over, because a friend of ours, one that's in the north of Scottsbluff, and then one friend of ours that's north of the town over here, or the village, they haven't gotten the wood. Another friend of ours in Gearing, they don't want it, so it's no big deal. So I just gotta haul it off little by little. So once I get all that stuff positioned over, then the entire work yard will be free, and we gotta chop down that one electrical pole down so far, so that way it doesn't fall over. Other than that, it's just going to be a very, very busy year in 2022. So this video might be uploaded in 2022. Might be one of the first. I don't know. Might either be this one, the Fairlane, or something.
I'm just curious how that engine's going to fit down in that Crestliner.
We'll manage it. We've done interesting things in the past. It's just been a while.
Oh, I'm just curious.
Well, yeah, gonna need an aviator's license in order to drive that 56. Yeah, that 56 Ford with that Jaguar engine in it, with that 2 something. So
and I'm not putting the governor in it.
No. So on that note, I want to end this video there. So 2 cars in one day. I don't know when the Buick's gonna be uploaded. Might be after this one, because I might unload that Buick next week, because it's going to get pretty nasty tomorrow, well, starting tomorrow and the Saturday. So we'll catch you all around. Many more things to come. A lot of builds happening, but slowly. Once it warms up again, there'll be a lot more activity other than just stuff here and there. And I still got to yank the dashboards out, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get to that, so I'm just going to do some stuff here and there. Just have to figure out what's going to happen. So anything else you want to add? Alrighty, so we'll catch you all later now. You all have a good night. Take care and stay safe. See you later.